I still remember those days in my CA curriculum when I used to visit the income tax department, and that clerk would pull up those files, and then I would wait along with my principal for those ITO hearings. They would ask for this document and that document. My principal would search for them and say, sir, look at this, look at that. Now with faceless assessment, life has moved far ahead. It's an algorithm which decides which are the cases that are selected for scrutiny. You don't meet the officer. So maybe you are in Kota, Rajasthan, the assessing officer is in Chennai, and ultimately the one who passes the order on the basis of the interaction is someone in Kolkata. Wow, how does this change life for a chartered accountant? It is very simple that now assessees, your clients, are going to be all the more conscious about the fact that compliance has to be in order. It is not that now compliance can be just happen as they wish, and if the case is picked up for scrutiny, the chartered accountant is go out there, network, uses power, uses influence, and maybe use all the colors in the world between the shades of white and black and settle the matter. Now everything is going to happen on the basis of the law. So the young dynamic chartered accountants will have an upper edge. Plus it is technology which is going to play a major role. Today it does not really matter where you are and where is your tax practitioner. For example, in my case, my GST consultant is not in Kolkata. He is in Dibrugarh. How is that possible? Because he's conceptually sound. Whatever interactions need to happen over technology. Maybe through cloud, he has access to my complete set of books of accounts. So that's a new area of opportunity for chartered accountants. Youngsters who are tech savvy, who are conversant with the laws, the regulations, who know that they cannot err on the side of caution, and therefore that's a huge area. Coming to taxation, because taxation has always been my favorite thing in CA final also, and I always used to wonder if I can open a practice in taxation, but they always used to discourage me that no, taxation is all about setting, it is about networking, it is about under the table transactions. What will you do by being very good in taxation? Now the role of drafting, the role of advisory is going to become so important as it is in CA final. So coming to CA final, so Mr. Satish Mangal of Unacademy from the 3rd of October has started live classes on revision for direct tax and international taxation for CA final, and I am sharing the link in the description below. Now coming back to our topic of discussion, so don't you think technology, this faceless compliance, is going to usher in a new era which is going to be of a lot of promise for us? So today you have seen websites like ClearTax, which now service the entire globe in terms of tax filing. It is not anymore dependent on your location. So you might as well be in Bhagalpur in Bihar and service HNIs across the country in terms of looking at their income tax compliance. There's faceless scrutinies because you are very well conversant with technology, cloud, and data sharing and protection of the integrity of the data, because once a client shares the data with you over email, he needs to ensure that those data protection frameworks are in place, and then you are conversant with the law and you can work wonders. All the best to the old chartered accountants also, who would have been hitherto feeling that okay, networking is all in the game, that you really don't need to know income tax well as long as you know the income tax officer. Now you don't know who is the income tax officer in your particular case, and hence knowing the income tax law becomes far more important. So friends, that is my little submission on this faceless scrutiny, and let's imagine a new era where all of us are going to get a lot of benefit from this new initiative by our government, if at least it is implemented in letter and spirit properly. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like it, please share it with your near and dear ones.